Hey everybody, guess what? I'm gonna continue on my HOMEWORK, my homework assignment. This time, I'm gonna show you the aforementioned Dripstone Brewery because I mean, leather arbor, it's not that useful except for aesthetics. But Dripstone potions, let me tell you something, they are pretty useful. And I'm gonna show you how you set it up. Now just wait for my game to load. Okay. Just have to get that over with. Now, let's start. First off, before you brew any potion, you will need Neverwort. Wonder how you get First off, before you brew any potions, you will want to go to the Nether. And you will want to grow, because there's soul sand and soul soil to grow your Neverwort crops on. And yeah, the Neverwort, you should never craft it into Neverwort blocks. If you do, it cannot be recovered. And no, bone meal doesn't work on Neverwort for one weird reason. And yeah, you will need your brewing stand, even though that will be hardly used, as well as blaze power rods, which are obtained by killing blazes. Okay, now for the farm itself. Yes, you guessed it. We will need the substance that is known as dihydrogen monoxide. That's a fancy way of saying water. And first, let's set up the cauldrons. There, I placed down 7 cauldrons. Next, we're gonna set down the concrete to take cobblestone, old cobble, leaf, okay. In fact, we can go up a little bit higher. Oh, men jag ser mig på det här livet som jag var dag. Jag has not what this idea or seafood is that. And yes, you could refill with rain, but that takes forever. That takes a long time and weather dependent. So that's why the dripstones come in. They don't care about the weather. They care about making liquids drip off them to fill cauldrons. Okay. Now we place the water buckets and there we have a body of water which is located above a dripstone, and as you can see here, it's beginning to fill the cauldrons. Now you're gonna ask, what potions? All potions you could want. Just let me pull out this inventory of mine. Items. Oh, potions. Okay, I kinda. Oh, they're the equipment. I'm thinking that I'll go for strong instant health potion. A strong splash potion of harming. A long lingering potion of poison. A long potion of fire resisted. A long potion of night vision. A long potion of invisibility. And long potion of splash falling. And we'll put these in the inventory. And as you can see, now I have my potions. Now I'm gonna show you how it's done. Whoop. See? Just like that, the dripstone will refill for splash potions, lingering potions, and regular potions. I did this before in created Dripstone Brewery. But they have to say it works. Invisibility, slow falling, healing. And there we have 7 different potions. Now, you should take special care of taking potions out of the buckets because they cannot be diluted. But if you, so that means all these potions, you only need to brew them once. But don't get greedy. Greed isn't good because if you take all of potions from a bucket, well, you'll have to brew it all over again. That will suck. And that is how you create and operate a potion brewery. Tyson out.